Understanding hit the mark in English. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a phrase that's quite common in English conversations. Hit the mark. Let's unpack its meaning and use it correctly in our daily language. Remember, understanding such phrases will sharpen your English skills. The phrase, hit the mark, originates from archery, where hitting the mark means shooting the arrow directly at the target's bullseye. In everyday English, it means to achieve a goal or to do something perfectly. It can also mean that something is extremely accurate or appropriate. Let's see how hit the mark fits into various sentences. For instance, when your friend makes a perfect comment, you can say, "Your joke really hit the mark." If a movie meets all your expectations, the new superhero film definitely hit the mark for me. You can use hit the mark in formal and informal settings. It's great for giving compliments, acknowledging success, or simply noting that something is on point. Be careful not to confuse hit the mark with negative phrases. It's not used to indicate failure or a miss. For example, you wouldn't say, "He tried to cook, but he didn't hit the mark," unless you mean he did exceptionally well. That's all on hit the mark. We hope this video hits the mark for you in understanding and using this phrase effectively. Keep practicing, and you'll be hitting the linguistic bullseye in no time.